I'll start by logging into my NAIRAWORKERS account. So I'll just come over here and put my name, and then I come over here and put my password. As you can see, this is my dashboard. It is live in front of you, and I'll just scroll down again. You can see my name, Welcome Finance Master. That's the name of my YouTube channel. And I'll just scroll down again. You can see I have the sum of 24,651 Naira live in my balance, and you guys can also see that I've gotten just 78 jobs completed, and I have active referrals of 546. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make the same amount of money as I did. It's so simple, and how you can get this number of referrals. So what I want you guys to do is to stick with me from now to the very end of this video, where I'm going to be walking you on how you can basically make the same amount of money, because that's what I do over here in my channel. So before I would hop into my screen to show it to you guys on how I actually made that money, let me just do a little bit of introduction here. My name is Peter Tayo. I'm an affiliate marketer, a content writer, and a software engineer, and this is my channel where I post videos on how you can make money online. And if you're someone that is interested in making money online, go down there, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bells, so that you're gonna be updated whenever I drop awesome videos like this. Though in my channel I just have a little number of 25 subscribers, but you guys should make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that it can help me grow it and stuff like that. And so I don't really have a lot of videos, but this video is actually good. It's actually real, so you can also go and check out that video. At the end of this video, all the viewers benefit from my content. So that's the evaluation. And so step 1, so I'm gonna be creating an account. So that's the step 1. I'm gonna be creating an account, and I would also advise you guys to make use of my referral link. So this is my referral link, NAIRAWORKERS.com Finance Master. So it's already down there at the description box. So once you click on the link, you'll be directed to this page whereby you have to fill in your first name. I just put in my first name. My name is Peter. Put in Peter. My last name is Tayo. I put in Tayo. And my surname is my username. Let me just use YouTube testing. So I just use, and this is I'm a male. I just put in this one. I think that's the best one I should put right now. And yeah, I think I'm right here. Yeah. And then let me put in my password. Cancel what they're saying. Do not create multiple accounts. So make sure that don't create multiple accounts. So we click on sign up. So you see they said an activation code has been sent to my email. So you can see now NAIRAWORKERS. This is the link, so I'll click on the activation link. So you can see now 6733. So I click on 6733, and then I click on activate account. NAIRAWORKERS account has been created. Now the next step is a step whereby we're gonna be working. All the works here are very easy to do. So if one will work, we come over here and we click on this available jobs icon. So once we click on it, so you can see the jobs available for you. Stuff like this pending Instagram follow, you get 7 Naira. So we don't see that Telegram channel, you get 7 Naira. Start clicking, you get this amount. So that's it. In order not to be deprived, not doing any job. Okay, let's do it for me. I'll log into my Instagram account. I don't know my password. That's make sure that you have your Instagram account and you are okay, let me just your Instagram account is active. If not, you might be denied approval of after you completed the task. That means you'll be seeing stuff like this. For example, if you come to this wallet, let's come over to wallet, you're going to be seeing stuff like this pending. So you can see, you must make sure that you read, so you don't want to see that. So we must make sure that we have all terms and conditions account given to you by, in order not to be deprived of not doing any job. So for me, I'll log into my Instagram account. I don't know my, well, okay. So you can see, you must make sure that you read these terms and conditions given to you by the people that posted the jobs. Like for this one, you can see what is expected from workers. Click the link and follow me on Instagram. So this is the link we are going to click, and then once we click the link, we'll be able to follow the person on Instagram. And also read this required proof. They said your Instagram username. So you put in your Instagram username, that's the proof. And once you do that, you get 7 Naira. Let me try if I can do it. So once I click on the link here, they'll take me to Instagram. Yeah, I think they'll ask me to sign in. Yeah, this is where the issue is now. So okay, thank God. Let me check it out. Yeah, thank God. Oh, let me just save it. So you can see, we just follow the person, simply Jimmy. We press follow, and then it means we have done the job. And then we'll copy our Instagram username. This is one of my Instagram accounts. It's not my major account. So let me click on profile to copy my Instagram username. So this healthline 241. So I just click on copy, Control C, and then I come over to that previous place. Or I just press back here. So I come over here and let me come down. I come over here and Control V it, and I just delete that. I think we're gonna be credited now. Yeah, we're gonna be credited now. But the fact is that after we have done this task, it would be pending for now, so that the person that posted the jobs approve it. So that's why it's gonna be pending for now. But since you guys actually did the right thing and you actually follow the tips I just gave you, you will surely be approved. Yeah, you are going to surely be approved. So let me see if I can do another task. Let me see if I can do another task. Let me see if I can do another task. You can see this sign done. Since we have done it, so Telegram channel, I think we're going to, these are things you should be able to do very easily with your phone. But with PC, it's gonna be hard. So if you guys can do what I did right now, you're gonna get the amount of money you saw in my wallet. You're gonna get that same amount of money. So is there any other one I can do again? Well, the more you keep doing jobs, the more they keep popping up, they keep popping up, they keep popping up. So that's why I advise you guys to work. Yeah, this is something you should put a lot of effort. And now that's the first section of this video. Is the section whereby the other section tons of is the section whereby we're gonna be getting tons of people come and sign up to our link. And I also sign up that you guys have actually signed up with my link, because I believe once you guys have actually signed up with my link, you're gonna make the same amount of money with my link. I actually make the same amount of money. My link I actually made. So if you don't sign up with my link, I'm not sure make sure you sign up with my link. And now, as I said earlier, this other section is the section that was, as I said earlier, this other section is the section that we're gonna be getting NAIRAWORKERS, and one will make sure that they sign up to NAIRAWORKERS. Yeah, and one will make sure that they sign up that you have created your account. And I assume that you have created your account and you have 5 or 10 jobs, and you guys should just number one jobs to sign up to NAIRAWORKERS, and one will make sure that they sign up with our link. Yeah. Now I assume that you have created your account and you have done so. And the day the day I actually the day I actually did the video was just 24,000 Naira. and that was just like yesterday, and today it's now 651 naira, and I don't know how much it will be tomorrow. So it's money I keep getting every day. Imagine I have 546 referrals, and you know that out of these human beings here, they are going to be working every day. They are going to be working every day. That's why this money keep popping up. So that's literally how it is. And now we want to get people to sign up with our link. So you just go to facebook.com. Facebook is just like is the number one social media network, and with Facebook we can get tons and tons of people to sign up with our link. So I'm going to be showing you guys the strategy I'm going to use. The day I actually did the video was just 24,000 naira, and that was just like yesterday, and today it's now 651 naira, and I don't know how much it will be tomorrow. So it's money I keep getting every day. Imagine I have 546 referrals, and you know that out of these human beings here, they are going to be working every day. They are going to be working every day. That's why this money keep popping up. So that's literally how it is. And now we want to get people to sign up with our link. So you just go to facebook.com. Facebook is just like is the number one social media network, and with Facebook we can get tons and tons of people to sign up with our link. So I'm going to be showing you guys the strategy I'm going to use. So now you are on your Facebook account. What you simply do is so this is me, this is my real Facebook account. So what you do is by coming here to the search button and just search something like, okay, make money online, and that's the first stage you do. So you search for that, and you're gonna see a lot of things. Make money online. Oh wait, where am I actually? On make money in Nigeria. So you search for something like that, make money in Nigeria, and you can see I've joined this group. So make sure you join here to I'm looking for where I can check out groups. Okay, me I've joined. What you just do is make sure you join the group, and for example, once you are in a group like this, okay, let me join other groups. Make money online. Yes, as you can see, this is groups, and you come over here and join all these groups. You join them. You click on here to join. You join the groups. You can see I've joined most of them. So you join as many groups you want to join. You keep joining them. I've joined most of them. I've joined a lot of groups there. So that's how I was able to get those number of referrals we saw. So you can see I have over like 10 groups that I've joined, and that's just for make money online. So you come here, you join all these groups, and once you are in a particular group, once you have joined a particular group, you are going to see this blue, it's going to turn blue. So for example, we join this group. Most of them they won't allow you to post public videos, but once you find out that they don't allow you to post videos, for example, this one that is a private group, make sure you don't, for now, don't join this private group. Join groups like this, public group. Like for this one, you can see over almost 200,000 members, and it's a public group. So that's from, like, for example, for this group, you are going to be able to make a lot of referrals from here. You get a ton of referrals from here, and so once you are there, what you gonna do is that you be like, why is the service slow? Gosh. Okay, so for example, you come over to write something, you want to create a post, and then you be like, if you are interested in making money online, say hi, and I will and I'll send you the link. So you can just do something like this, or make sure your own is more It's better than I'm just doing this one because it's just a tutorial, but make sure your own is more concrete and more real than this, because just so after you have done that, you can just add one of these and then you click on okay. You can okay, and for example, most people love seeing they love when you show them proof. So you can just come over to Google and search for Naira workers proof. So you get images, so you can just pick one of all these images and then attach the images. You can download these images and then come over here and post and add those images to your post. So once you have done that, you click on post, and as you can see, it's posting. That's how it is. And click on I agree to the rules. So now, okay. Don't know why they are telling me this. Okay. I think for because this group is a public group, they will actually approve your post. That's the fact. They'll actually approve your post. And so once you keep doing like this every day on Facebook, I'll assure you guys that so that's it. That's how I was able to make this amount of money. So it's time, it's work. You have to put in the work, you have to put in everything, and I'll show you guys that if you guys can do the same thing I did and follow all my steps, you are going to be making more than this. You are going to be making more than this. And also I urge you guys to sign up my link so that to ease you whatever you're doing. So have a nice day. I'll just take it off from here. Have a nice day, and make sure you do it right now and subscribe to the YouTube channel and give this video a like. And if there's anything you are not clear of, you can be free, go to the comment section and